Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Compass. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as an outside temperature display, heated seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you